Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Daily English Podcast, where learning English is simple and fun. I'm Jane.
Hello, Jane. Hello, everyone. It's always wonderful to be with you guys. I'm Joseph, and I am very happy to be here and learn with you every day.
I'm happy you are here too. Joseph, how was your night?
It was a great night. I had a sleepover with my friends. Thanks for asking.
A sleepover. Well, in case you don't know what a sleepover is when you sleep at a friend's house for one night. You bring your pajamas, a toothbrush, and maybe a pillow or blanket.
At a sleepover, you and your friends watch movies, play games, eat snacks, just like I did with my friends. We talked and laughed late at night. In the morning, we eat breakfast together. Then we all go back home. Sleepovers are very popular with children and teenagers.
But you aren't a child, Joseph. Why sleepovers?
Well, I met my friend last week. I went to get some items from the supermarket, then we decided to have a sleepover. We haven't talked for 2 years now, and that's a long time.
Well, I'm excited for our topic today. It's something we all do.
Ooh, let me guess. Sleepovers?
No, Joseph. Today we are going to talk about the supermarket.
Ah, the supermarket. That is a very useful topic. We all need to buy food every day.
Exactly. We will talk about the words and phrases you can use when you go shopping for groceries.
That's a fantastic idea.
But before we begin our shopping trip, we have a small request for our amazing listeners.
Yes, if you enjoy our podcast, please take a moment to subscribe to Daily English Podcast. It helps us make more videos like this for you.
And don't forget to give this episode a like and share it with your friends who are also learning English.
Thank you so much for your support.
Okay, Joseph, are you ready to go to the supermarket?
I was born ready. I even have my shopping list.
That is very organized, Joseph. A shopping list contains the items or groceries you want to get at the supermarket. I always make a list too. It helps me remember everything.
Me too. Without a list, I forget the meat or the bread.
So, what is on your list today, Joseph?
Let me see. I need some fruit. I need apples and oranges. And I need some yogurt.
Okay, fruit and yogurt. A healthy choice.
It's always good to be healthy. What about your list, Jane?
My list is a little longer. I need milk, eggs, pasta, oats, and bread. I also need some chicken for dinner tonight, and maybe some carrots and tomatoes.
Chicken and carrots sound delicious for dinner. You must be a good cook, Jane.
I am. So we have our lists. Let's imagine we are at the supermarket now.
Perfect. We walk in through the big glass doors. Wow, that's a lot of items. Now I see why we need the shopping list.
Yes, Joseph. The shopping list is like our guide in the supermarket. It helps us not to get lost in the supermarket. What is the first thing we need, Joseph?
Well, we need something to put our food in. We need a shopping cart or a shopping basket.
Exactly. A shopping cart is the big basket with wheels. You push it.
And a shopping basket is the small one you carry with your hands.
Which one do you want today, Joseph? Remember, your list is short.
A basket is good for me today. I only need 3 things. What about you, Jane?
My list is a little longer. I need a cart. I will push the big shopping cart.
Sounds stressful, but good idea. Okay, you have your cart and I have my basket. Where do we go first?
Let's get your fruit first. The fruit and vegetable section is usually near the entrance.
Oh yes, I see it. It's very colorful. Lots of reds, greens, yellows, and a touch of oranges.
It is. So your list says you need apples.
Yes. Ah, look, the apples are right here. There are red apples and green apples.
Which ones do you like?
I like the red apples. They're sweet. The green apples are a little sour.
I like red apples too. How many apples do you need?
I think 4 apples will be good. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, the apples are in my basket.
Great. Now, what's next on your list?
I need oranges. Where are the oranges?
Let's check over there. Ah, I see them. They're over there next to the pineapples.
Oh, yes, I see. I see a big bunch of oranges. They look very fresh.
They do. Some are yellow and some are a little green.
I like the yellow ones. They look ready to eat. I will take this bunch. 4 oranges.
Perfect. So you have your apples and your oranges. Your fruit is done.
Yes, that was easy. Now let's look at your list, Jane.
Wait, aren't we forgetting something?
What's that?
The yogurt, Joseph.
Oh, let me get that quickly. It's at the other side.
Okay. I need carrots and tomatoes. They are vegetables, so they should be here too.
Let's see. Carrots. Found them. They're next to the potatoes.
Ah, great job, Joseph. These look nice and fresh. I will get a bag of carrots and some tomatoes.
Excellent. So fruits and vegetables are done. What is the next section?
Well, I need milk, eggs, and oats. Where do we find those things?
I know this one. We need to go to the dairy section. It's usually at the back of the store. That's where I got my yogurt.
That's right. Let's walk to the back. Ooh, it's getting a little cold.
Yes, the dairy section is always cold. Brr, all the refrigerators are here. Okay, I see the milk and also the oats. There are many different kinds, big cartons and small cartons. Do you need a big carton or a small one?
I think a big carton of milk and a medium-sized oat box. My family drinks a lot of milk with cereal or oats in the morning.
Great choice.
Okay, milk is in the cart. Now eggs.
The eggs are right next to the milk.
Perfect. I need a dozen eggs.
A dozen is 12, right?
Yes, exactly. 1 dozen is 12 eggs, and a half dozen is 6 eggs.
Ah, okay. A dozen eggs. Here you go. Be careful with them.
Thank you, Joseph. I will put them in the cart gently. Now, let's head over to the bakery to get the bread. It's next on my list.
Ah, bread. That's why I love the bakery section. It always smells so good.
What are we waiting for? Let's follow the good smell of freshly baked bread.
Here we are. Look at all the bread. There are loaves of bread, bread rolls, and even cakes and cookies.
It all looks so delicious, but I just need 2 loaves of white bread for sandwiches.
This one looks soft and fresh. Here you go.
Thank you, Joseph. In the cart it goes.
Ooh, wait. Look at those chocolate cupcakes. They look very good. Should we get some?
It's not on the list. Remember, the list guides us.
Come on, Jane. A small treat won't hurt.
I think that's a great idea. Let's get the cupcakes.
Yay! Okay, cupcakes are in the cart.
Now I have to be serious again. What is next on my list?
Let me see. It says chicken.
Right, chicken for dinner. So we need to go to the meat section or the meat counter.
The meat counter is usually next to the dairy section at the back of the store.
Let's go. Here we are.
There's a person working behind the counter.
We can ask them for what we need.
Yes, I'll say, "Hello, can I please have 2 chicken breasts?"
That's a perfect way to ask, and the person will say, "Of course." Then they weigh the chicken and wrap it for me. There, now I have the chicken for dinner.
Fantastic! Is that everything on your list, Jane?
Let me check. Milk, eggs, bread, oats, chicken, carrots, and pasta.
We're forgetting the pasta. It's at the pantry section of the supermarket, behind the meat counter.
Thanks for the info, Joseph. I'll need 2 bags of pasta. Let's go get it.
Into the cart. Done. Now your list is complete.
Yes, that's everything on my list.
And I have my apples, oranges, and yogurt, so our lists are complete.
Yes, but wait, I have an idea. I'm a little thirsty from all this shopping.
Me too. We should get something to drink. Let's go to the drinks aisle.
Great idea. An aisle is the long path between the shelves in a supermarket.
That's right. Aisle 1, aisle 2. Let's find the drinks aisle. Ah, here it is. Aisle 6.
Wow, look at all the drinks. There's water, juice, soda.
I'll go for the pineapple juice.
Sounds good. Okay, here's a carton of pineapple juice for you. I'm just going to get a bottle of water.
Water is always a healthy choice. Okay, now I think we have everything we need.
Now we have to pay for our food. We need to go to the checkout or the payment counter.
Exactly. The checkout is at the front of the store. Let's go.
Look, there are a few checkout lines open. Some are for many items, and some are express lines for few items. The express line is for people with 10 items or less. You have a basket, Joseph. You can use the express line.
Oh, that's right. But I'll wait with you. You have a big cart.
Thanks, Joseph. Okay, this line is not too long. The cashier is ready for us. Let's do a role play. Hello.
Hello. How are you today?
We're doing great, thank you. This supermarket is really big.
Did you find everything you were looking for?
Yes, we did. Thank you for asking.
Beep, beep, beep. Okay, your total is $5,399.
Okay, can I pay with a card?
Yes, of course. Cash or card is fine. You can insert your card into the machine here.
Perfect. I'll put my credit card in. Beep, it's done.
Thank you. Would you like a bag for your groceries?
Oh, yes, please. I forgot my bags today. 2 bags, please.
Paper or plastic bags?
Plastic bags are fine. Thank you.
Okay, here are your groceries in 2 plastic bags, and here is your receipt. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you so much. Goodbye.
Wow, Jane, that was a perfect checkout role-play conversation.
Thank you, Joseph. You are a very good cashier.
It was fun, and now we have all our food. We can go home and unpack our food items.
Yes, that's what I call a successful shopping trip. We practiced a lot of useful English.
We really did. We talked about a shopping list, a cart, and a basket.
And all the different sections in the supermarket. The fruit and vegetable section, the dairy section, the bakery, the pantry, and the meat counter.
We used important words like aisle and checkout and asked for things politely.
Yes, saying please and thank you is so important.
It is. It makes every conversation better. What if we can't find something? What can we say?
That's a great question. We can find a store employee and say, "Excuse me, where can I find the pasta?"
Excuse me, where can I find the pasta? That's very clear and polite.
And the employee will help you. They can say, "It's in aisle 3.
Practice is the most important part of learning. Going to the supermarket is great practice.
It is. You see the words on the signs and you can have small conversations.
Yes, you can talk about what you want to buy. I want some red apples, or I need a loaf of bread.
And you can talk about quantity. A dozen eggs, a bottle of water, a bag of carrots, a box of oats.
And now I'm a little hungry thinking about all that food.
Me too. I'm ready to eat my cupcake and yogurt.
Well, that brings us to the end of our episode for today. We had so much fun with you all.
We did, and we want to say a huge thank you for listening to Daily English Podcast.
Before you go, please remember to subscribe so you don't miss our next episode.
And if you liked our trip to the supermarket, please give us a like and share this with your friends and family.
We also love to hear from you.
Please leave a comment below. For today's question, tell us what is one thing you always buy at the supermarket?
Ooh, that's a fun question. I'm excited to read the answers. My one thing is always green tea and a coffee.
Ah, good one. Mine is probably strawberry. I love strawberries.
Delicious.
Okay, everyone, that's all for now. Keep practicing your English.
And remember, learning can be simple and fun.
Until next time, goodbye.
Bye, everyone.